So good morning guys! Kakatapos lang ng work ko for today's video at tayo muna ay magko-coffee. But usually kasi, pagkatapos ng shift ko, hindi ako nagkakape kasi hindi ako nakakatulog. Pero for today, I don't know what is going on. Parang gusto ko talaga magkape. Parang feeling ko marirelax ako. So tara, kape tayo. So yung kape pala na to is from Easy Brew. Yung flavor nito is Nightfall Mountain Blend. Actually guys, itong coffee nito is direct from Benguet. So sobrang sarap, masarap siya, sobrang sarap niya guys. Alam mo yung aroma pa lang niya, magigising ka na. And then, yung tea bag na yan, nagagamit ko yan usually. Nagagamit ko siya for 3 times. So, super sulit